He wanted to hear us talking. What can we talk about?
Well, we can talk. I wanted to ask you, the Pope's observatory is straight in that direction,
Looking out the door.
and walking out of the door with Dorothy.
No, because he found Dorothy crying.
Oh, I found her crying on the bed that she shared with Helen, because Helen was unhappy. She was crying. She was very sensitive, Dorothy was. And she was a good teacher. She used to come staggering home from a third grade class, exhausted. I never understood why until I was a teacher myself. It's the most exhausting profession. I used to think only bus drivers had a worse time than teachers. It's the trouble with teaching. Have you ever taught? No. Well, I think the big trouble is that you're always on. You're never allowed to take a moment for yourself. You're always, as if you're an actor on a stage, but you keep going for 6 or 8 hours. So it's very exhausting eventually.
Yeah.
He's asking if you'd like a cigarette. No.
No, grazie.
He's not supposed to crow.
This is almost all edible stuff here. This is all celery. And this is Swiss chard.
Huh.
And that's all salad, which we're going to eat this afternoon right now.
It smells so good. And you grew it all?
Yeah.
This is your garden.
As part of a garden. I have a real vegetable garden on another plot of land back here. And,
Susie tells me that you're a gardener.
well, I just, I just love growing things. So.
And you're obviously very successful at it.
Well, it doesn't take much, I mean, you put things in the ground and a little lemon tree.
Maybe here. I don't think it's that way in Long Island.
Well, you don't get, I mean, you have a good growing season, but it's not, it's
And
not.
Long Island is better than most.
Yeah.
And this is a lemon tree?
Yeah.
Imagine
nice?
that. There's an almost ripe lemon.
Yeah, it is right. So,
Did you grow this?
Yeah. Well, I bought the tree, but I mean.
Yeah, but then you...
It's under my tutelage. So.
Yeah.
So.
And did you buy all these containers?
Well, they had a wine barrel downstairs, my neighbors, and they just gave it to me. But the rest of the containers.
It's lovely.
Yeah. This is a sawed-off barrel. These are hot peppers.
Oh, peppers. Are they hot?
Yeah, these are really hot.
Oh,
Yeah, it's like
bad.
chilies, and these are. I have the sweet peppers too, and that's parsley, and that's basil, and these are wild onions, and.
And you have sweet peppers?
Yeah, they're not here though, because they grow. They're too big to grow here.
Oh,
And look at this, a wild tomato plant just grew in the middle of a rose bush. It just
for
seeded
goodness sake,
itself.
seeded itself.
Yeah, it's a little, it's more shady here. And beautiful.
Imagine still having roses.
So, this right here. Let's have a little centerpiece.
I picked my last rose before I left. I left it for Wilhelmina.
You have roses in the backyard?
Yeah, I actually
I don't
had
remember that.
roses at the end of, near the end of, middle of October.
Oh yeah.
That was a long time.
Okay, I'm gonna put the soup out, Susie.
Great.
Mmm. Wow. Real.
Is that shrimp?
It's real fish soup. It's really fresh. Chef at work. Actually, the chef at play. Okay. Et voilà. Et servito. So this is kind of a fish bisque. I hope this is to your liking. Do you like fish? I know you eat fish.
Sure.
It's fairly hot.
Sure. It's like New England chowder.
It's something, yeah, it's definitely a fish chowder.
But just a bit, please.
Okay. Careful, it's very hot.